Hi there, everyone. I am doing a food hack. I do not own a microwave, so I need to figure out how to heat up my leftovers, which are meatloaf, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, and green beans. Well, I have them wrapped up in foil. They're all in foil on a sheet pan. Add a little bit of water to the pasta, a little bit of butter to the mashed potatoes, and I'm going to wrap them up, and I'm going to stick these on the stove top and reheat my food. Let's see how it goes. Well, there is the food. I put it in individual parts of aluminum foil on a sheet pan, and then heating everything up. As you can see, the steam is coming up off of all the food, so it's warming up very nicely. As you can see, there is my plate, and it's steaming. All you need is a sheet pan and some foil, and you can put everything right on it and put it right on your stovetop. Dirty up one thing. Try it. Have lots of luck. Goodbye.